up some chicken wings tonight. I've cut them down, put them in my pan. I'm going to add just a bit of this. Just enough to give it a little bit of a kick. And in here I've got my seasonings, just smoked paprika, garlic salt, pepper, just a touch of chili powder. So I'm going to season my meat with part of it. When you're frying chicken that you're going to be breading, or any kind of meat, I guess I should say you're going to be breading, make sure you season your meat first before you put the breading on it. That way you make sure and get plenty of seasoning. You can actually taste the seasoning on the meat and seasoning in the breading. So I'm not doing anything fancy tonight. I'm just going to pour the rest of my seasonings in my flour. Give it a whisk. Then I'm going to start breading my chicken wings. Toss them in the flour. I've got my oil getting hot on the stove. So we will be throwing these things in there shortly. It's just a quick meal. I'll open some corn probably to go with it, some mac and cheese. See if I have some rolls in the freezer. Nothing fancy, but hey, it's the weekend. We don't do fancy on the weekend. Back in a bit. So I've got my grease over here heating up. Shake a little flour. If it starts to sizzle, then I'll know we are ready to go. So it likes just a bit more. We should be getting there. Yep. So I'm going to throw one in. Just cook them until they're done. There you go. It's that easy. And I will be back when it's time to pull them out. Okay guys, there you have it. Golden fried chicken wings. I hope you like this recipe. Hit that bell and subscribe. See you next time.